Welcome to episode 8 of Sketchup episode series. In today's episode, we will learn how to create a side table. So, let's remove this madam and quickly begin today's episode. This is the side table that we will be creating for this episode. The process of creating this side table will be shown in the next video. I am creating this platform, which we will use to learn how to create objects in the upcoming lessons. Let's begin creating the side table. For the side table, I am taking the length as 1 feet 8 inches and the depth as 1 feet 6 inches. Once the rectangle of this size is created, right-click on it and group the rectangle. Now, use the push-pull tool and give it a height of, say, 1 feet 6 inches. Now, select the 3 sides of the bottom edge together and copy them upward by 2 inches. Then, push them inward to create the skirting. Note that, to copy multiple edges, hold Ctrl, select all the required edges, release Ctrl, move them, then press Ctrl once, and click to create the copy. Now draw the center line for the drawers. The blue dotted there indicates the midpoint, making it easy to place the line accurately. Copy the center line 0.5 inches above and 0.5 inches below to create the partition between the 2 drawers. Now, push the middle partition inward to create a clear separation between the 2 drawers. For the curved corners, draw an arc, copy it to all 4 corners. Use the flip tool to mirror the arc where needed, and then push it down to create the rounded edges of the side table. Now for the back upper round part, draw a rectangle. Push it forward and shape it into a curve as shown in the picture. Then, use the Follow Me tool to extend it along the height. If following the entire path is difficult, rotate your view to a more convenient angle, as shown in the video, to make using the Follow Me tool easier. Curve to be given this side as well. You can use Push-Pull tool as well. Make sure the lines are fully connected and form a proper surface before pushing down the upper part of the side table. For the thickness of the tabletop, copy the outline downward to create the slab thickness. Then, add a small offset of about 0.1 inches to create a subtle gap, giving it a more realistic furniture-like appearance. For adding a downloaded color, texture, or any custom material to your object, go to the Create Material option. Then, click the folder icon, select the image from your gallery, and import it. Once imported, click on the material and apply it to your object. Suppose you are working with one color but accidentally select a different one. Then, use the Sample Paint tool to pick the color you want. If you need to adjust its brightness or shade, go to the color wheel and move the selector up or down to achieve the desired tone. Then, apply the color to your object. For the tabletop, I've already downloaded a laminate texture from the Google, so I'm simply importing it into the file and using it on. Let's view it in Inkscape to see a realistic 3D render of the model. For a clearer gap between the tabletop and the drawer, choose the color from the material, edit the group, select the gap area. You can apply a dark gray or black color to give it a more realistic look. For a more realistic look, open the Inkscape Material Editor and use the Sample Paint tool to select the specific object. Then, adjust its material settings by decreasing the roughness to achieve a smoother, more polished, and reflective finish. Make sure the gap is colored gray or black, especially if it was accidentally left uncolored. Now, same process for the tabletop. I hope the video was clear and that you were able to understand everything well. Thank you, everyone. The step-by-step tutorial for another side table design will be uploaded soon in an upcoming episode.